morning students. My name is Gagandeep Kaur. We are doing unit number 3 spreadsheet, and today we are going to cover two sessions. Session number 9 sort and filter data and 10 calculate data across the worksheet. So let's start with sort and filter. So we have two terms. First is sorting, which means arranging the data either in ascending order or descending order. Ascending means A to Z and descending means Z to A. Or in the terms of numbers, ascending means 1 to 100 and descending means 10 to 1. Now, the other term is filter. Filter is the feature that is used to extracting particular data using some conditions and hiding the rest of the data in the worksheet. So let's start with the sorting thing. So as I have told you, sorting means arranging the data either in ascending or descending order. So select your range where you want to apply this. Go to the editing group of home tab and click on sort and filter option. Now you have option of ascending A to Z, descending Z to A. Because my data is already in ascending order according to the student's name, so I will be applying descending order. So this is how sorting works. Now one more thing, if I just simply select this much data and try to sort it like this, Excel show you a warning that Microsoft Excel found data next to your selection. Since you have not selected this data, it will not be sorted. So it gives you two options. One is expanding the selection and the other is continuing the current selection. So if I go with the continue with the current selection, it will sort only the names, and which is not relevant because the data next to it has not been updated. So every time you are going to apply sorting, you should select the whole of the data. Again, go to the sort and filter. This is how the sorting. Next is filtering of the data. For that, again, you have to select your data, but this time select the field names with it. Again, go to the editing group of the home tab, click on this option, and the fourth option is a filter. Now, these arrow represents that you can apply filtering over here. So this also provide you with the sorting option. It gives you another different option of text filter. So what I want to show, equal to, if I want to give a specific name, doesn't equal to, I want to hide one particular name, begins with. For example, all the names beginning from the letter C, or end with all the names ending with the letter E. So this is how the text filter works. Otherwise, you can just untick any of these and press OK, and those of the records will be hidden. You can see the changing the numbering here because the record of 6 is not present here, and also for the 8. Just like the text filter, we have number filters also like this. So again, equal to, doesn't equal to, greater than, less than equal to, between. So if I want to find the numbers greater than 80, so I will just simply press 80. Or now I have only 3 students having marks more than 80, so those records are visible now. So this is how the sorting works, filtering works. And if you want to remove this filtering, click over here, click the filter from the text one, click OK. This is how the sorting and the filtering works. Next topic is calculate data across the worksheet. To understand the concept, let's take an example. Now I have marks of 2 tests, IA1 in this sheet and IA2 in this sheet. So what I want to do is I want to calculate sum of both the tests. That means this one and this one in here in the grand total. To do that, what I'm going to do is I will be referencing to the sheet 1 in the sheet 2. So write the formula here, is equal to sum, then name of the sheet 1. Now the name of the sheet 1 is IA1. IA1, it is not having any space. Next, exclamation. Now go to the IA1 sheet and see what is the address of the total. So the address is E3. So write E3 here. E3. Now afterwards I will be writing plus. The second will be IA2, again exclamation. Now give the sheet reference from here. Again it's E3. Close the bracket and press enter. The total of both of the sheet is this. Again, to find for the total of the rest of the students, drag it down and you will be having your totals. So this is how you refer the sheets. Again, see the formula from here. It's is equal to sum A1 IA1 exclamation E3, the cell address of the previous worksheet, plus IA2, the sheet name of the current worksheet, exclamation marks, and cell address of the current worksheet. This is how the referencing works.